Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Hear me again at the gym. Today I'm working out legs, but before legs I did for like 20 minutes some yoga exercises. I can say that in past 2 years I'm more into this mobility exercising, stretching, and I like to be mobile, functional, and not just doing the gym. I don't have nothing against the gym, but that's something that I'm more into it, and it, I don't know, helped me like recover some injuries. I'm doing the squats now on this machine, so I will do squats and probably lunge. I will see if I will do lunges because I'm planning to go surfing today, so I don't want to over exercise. We are trying a little bit on the west side. We've never been there, so I'm gonna take a ride there and see how it is. Pantai for food. I'm not sure if we are allowed to drive a scooter on the beach, but there was no any sign. This is so good. Okay, we go back. This is the setup that I've been using to get the best shots from the scooter. I mounted a SmallRig handle on the scooter handlebars and attached the Insta360 X4 with an invisible stick to it. And this way I can extend the invisible stick, point it slightly forward, and get this awesome shot. This was so good. We are back at Camora. This was a short trip to this east part of Bali. It's around 40 minutes by scooter. We found this lovely beach, black sand beach with this shiny sand. It looks so beautiful, and what's the best is that there's nobody there, so it's not some tourist attraction. It's actually Zetrum. She is preparing smoothies, so we'll be spending some time here at Camora. Hi. We came at the beach, so we are coming at the same beach every day. I'm going to get the surfboard.
Ready?
Can I get the board?
Yes, of course. What size you bought?
As yesterday, 7.
7.
Yeah.
7.4, yeah?
No, it was
7.0.
I just 7.0 it was, I think.
Hey, brother.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, it's good one. Yeah. I rented yesterday this one. That was good.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Haha.
for YouTube. He will wax it a little bit also. He can remove this. And if I want a lesson here,
350 bucks.
and 350 is, how long is the lesson? 1
Hour maximum.
2 hours?
Yes.
And it's with you or?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
I will be teacher, and then I will bring you go to the web 2 hour
Okay.
until 2 hour. Alright?
Thank you so much.
You ready?
See you later. I paid.
Yeah. Have fun, have fun.
On this side there is not so many waves, and also it's not crowded, so I think it's better to go on this side. But let's do a warm-up first, because my left shoulder is hurting a bit from the yesterday. Yesterday I did a gym, and also I went for a surf, so that's not the best choice. I pick one, and I remember. The watch? Okay. Yes. What's your name? Ate. Yes. Oh, no onion, yeah? No onion. Perfect. Thank you so much. That's it from today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to prepare the cold plunge as I'm doing every evening, and see you in the next video. Bye.